tradition, yes. Tradition nating mga Pilipino. But it doesn't mean that you have to follow tradition all the time. Or even at all. I don't have any red na damit. Okay? So, I wanna do the red thingy just to kind of celebrate. Of course, these are all like symbolism. You don't really have to. But I want to do it. If you don't have it and wala kayong means to buy stuff, you don't really have to do any of these things. It's a tradition, yes. Tradition nating mga Pilipino. But it doesn't mean that you have to follow tradition all the time. Or even at all. It's a matter of preference and kung kaya mo ba na i-follow yung tradition, if it's okay with you and stuff like that. So don't feel bad if you wala kayong handa or wala kayong red na shirt and wala kayong pambili or what have you. Don't feel bad. This is just how I chose to do New Year. I'm so grateful and blessed kasi I do have the means to do it. That's why I do it. Otherwise, I wouldn't really mind if I don't do it. Kasi for the longest time, well, not really the longest time. I think the first 2 years na nandito ako sa Amerika. Kasi sa American walang ganito eh. Wala silang ganitong tradition. So, at the time, syempre bago pala ako dito. Thank you. Happy New Year. Thank you. Sinasabi ko, meron naman akong konting income from online reselling but hindi pa ganun ka substantial talaga. Kasi at that point, hindi pa kakagawa ko pa lang ang business na yon. So syempre hindi pa ganun ka stable yung income and all that good stuff. So I still could not get myself to spend money really to do the traditional way of doing New Year's ganon natin mga Pilipino. So I didn't do it really for like the first 2 years siguro. Yung third year doon na ako nagka okay, I have the money. Chris, medyo na ko na siya, na prime ko na siya na this is how I want to do it, I want to follow it. But for those first 2 years, I was fine with it. Like, siguro nung first year, medyo gano'n. Kasi syempre nasanay ako na sa bahay, sa Pilipinas, yung mom ko talaga follows the tradition and all that good stuff. So, medyo disappointing, I won't lie, but at the end of the day, do what works for you.